In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a payment received in Zoho Books in our full 2025 guide. This process is quite straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure everything is crystal clear. By the end of this, you should be able to navigate the platform confidently and accurately record payments. To begin, you'll first need to head over to your Zoho Books dashboard. This is the central hub of your accounting activities, where you can easily manage your finances. Once you're logged in and ready, look towards the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find various menu options. Go ahead and click on Purchases. This section is crucial because it enables you to track and organize all expenses and payments related to your vendors. After you've selected Purchases, your next step is to click on Payments Made. This will open a list of all the payments you've recorded up to this point, giving you an overview of financial transactions that have left your account. However, we're here to add a new entry, so let's continue. You should see a new button at the top of this page. Click on this and you'll open a fresh form that will guide you through recording a new payment record. Start by clicking on Vendor Name. This is essential as it ensures that the payment is associated with the correct vendor. You will see an option labeled Select Vendor that, once clicked, will present a list of all vendors you've added to your system. From this list, select the vendor you are recording the payment for. If you're practicing, you might see an option labeled Test. Feel free to select this for trial purposes. Next, we dive into the specifics of the payment. Click on Payment. This is where you assign or verify the unique identifier for that particular transaction. Moving forward, click on Payment Made. In this field, you will enter the exact amount paid to the vendor. It's essential to double check this information to avoid any discrepancies. Continuing, click on Payment Date. Here, you'll enter the date when the actual payment was made. This feature is particularly useful for maintaining accurate and up-to-date records. Next, click on Payment Mode to specify how the payment was executed. Was it by bank transfer, check, or perhaps a credit card? After that, you'll be setting the Paid Through field, which lets you indicate the financial institution or account used for the transaction. Further along, click on Reference. This field is helpful for adding any transaction details, like a check number or bank reference, to further validate the payment. Lastly, after ensuring all information is filled in accurately, click on Save as Paid. This step finalizes your record, ensuring it is stored securely in Zoho Books. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to recording payments in Zoho Books. By following these steps precisely, you'll keep your accounting records organized and reliable. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to guiding you through more essential features in our next video.